Hi all. In this video, I'll be talking to you about the behavioral targeting options that are available under the custom segments. If you want to target your visitors based on a certain event that they trigger on your website, you can go ahead and utilize these options. For example, the number of pages a visitor visits in a session. So let's say you only want to include the visitors who have navigated to greater than 3 pages in a specific session. You can accordingly specify the value here, and only those visitors will be included in the campaign. Or, if I only want the visitors that click on a specific element to be included in the campaign. For example, the visitors that click on the Connect with Us, only they should be able to see the changes and become a part of the campaign accordingly. So you can specify the CSS selector of the element or the hyperlink, and only those visitors will be included. There's also time spent on a page. So if you only want to include visitors that spend a certain amount of time on a page, you can accordingly specify the value here. We also have the exit intent, which is the user trying to close the page. So if a visitor moves his cursor really fast outside the viewport or outside towards the close button, then we assume that the visitor is trying to close the page and accordingly target those visitors. Please note that the exit intent works only for desktop. We also have the scrolling behavior. So if you want to target visitors that scroll a specific pixels or length on the page, you can accordingly specify the value here. There's also the custom trigger option that is available. Now, if you have any conditions that you would want to target, which is not feasible via the predefined segments, then you can create your own custom trigger. For example, if I want to target only the visitors that have less than a certain items in the cart, I can go ahead and type my own JavaScript condition to achieve this. And only if the condition is satisfied, the visitors are going to be included in the campaign and only they will be tracked. So those are all the custom segments that are available under the behavioral targeting. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful.